Hello guys, it is me back with another video on FMG question, and today I am going to discuss internal carotid artery. My name is Abhay Pathan, so let us begin. Introduction. So the ICA, that is the internal carotid artery, is one of the two main branches of the common carotid artery, and it supplies major blood supply of this artery is to the brain. Okay. Now, this common carotid arteries are indeed the branches of the aorta. Aorta is the largest blood vessel in our body. Okay. So as you can see in this diagram, this is the internal carotid artery. Okay. And the location is just posterior to the external carotid artery. Okay. It is just behind the external carotid artery. Okay. And it enters the skull via the foramen called as the foramen lacerum and the carotid canal. Okay. In this diagram, you can see the cartoon of the ICA. So, this ICA, it enters the skull via the foramen lacerum, as I told you. Its first part gives no branches. Second part gives the osseous branch. Third part gives the three branches: superior and inferior hypophyseal artery, artery to sphenoid air sinus, and the meningeal artery dura mater of the MCF. Okay, and the fourth part, it also gives us the branches. Okay, so as you can see in this diagram, this is the course of the internal carotid artery. Yeah, it is very dangerous course actually, because this artery is only artery which passes inside the cavernous sinus. Okay, see this is the cavernous sinus, and it passes inside out. Okay, see, it goes inside and comes out. Okay, and the point where this artery comes out from the cavernous sinus is called as the carotid siphon. Okay. This figure shows the diagrammatic representation of the six right angle bends of the internal carotid artery. Okay. So yeah, this is uh, this is what I have explained you in my previous slide. You can pause and try to read this whole thing. I am not going to read it. So you read. Now, speaking of the fourth part of the ICA, that is the internal carotid artery. Fourth part of the this ICA, it gives the ophthalmic artery, middle cerebral artery, anterior cerebral artery, anterior ethmoidal artery, and the posterior communicating artery. Okay, we will see these arteries in our next slide. Okay, so first of all, you should remember these five arteries. First is the ophthalmic artery. Second, middle cerebral artery. Third, anterior cerebral artery. Fourth, anterior ethmoidal artery. And fifth is the posterior communicating artery. Okay. What you are looking at is the basal inferior view of the brain, arteries of the brain. So, here we have the internal carotid artery. Okay. This is the ICA. Okay. And yeah, so first part of the no, sorry, fourth part of the internal carotid artery, it gives the first branch as the ophthalmic artery, which is not shown in this diagram because of I don't know, it is not shown. Just it is not shown. Okay, then the second artery, which we discuss, is the anterior cerebral artery. This is the anterior cerebral artery. Then third part is the middle cerebral artery. Okay, middle cerebral artery. Fourth is the posterior communicating artery, and fifth is the anterior choroidal artery. Okay, so guys, you should remember this thing, and this whole this kind of it makes a circle, so we will call it as a circle of Willis. Okay. and it is very important for our board examination. So please learn it. Okay. So guys, what you are looking at is the simplified version of the circle of Willis. So this is the anterior cerebral artery. This is the anterior communicating artery, which connects both left and right anterior cerebral arteries, middle cerebral artery, and the posterior communicating artery. These all are the branches of the internal carotid artery. Okay, and the two main branches of the this internal carotid artery, which are not shown in this diagram, are the ophthalmic artery and the anterior choroidal artery. Okay, so that is it for today, guys, and thank you for watching. And remember to सब्सक्राइब कर जल्दी, सब्सक्राइब कर जल्दी, कर, भोसड़ी के।